Suppose we do a randomized experiment where we assign some people to be treated and some people not. And some of the people who we assign to be treated don't actually get treated for some reason. They don't comply with the treatment. Remember, that was called the non-compliance problem. And we talked about 4 ways of dealing with this problem. One of them was called intention to treat analysis. That gave us the causal effect of being offered treatment. Another way was to assume random compliance, that it was just totally random why some people complied. A third way was called bounds analysis. That got us the actual effect of receiving treatment, but we didn't learn it exactly. We only were able to derive some bounds. The fourth and final way is what we'll talk about now, how to use instrumental variables to get at the actual effect of receiving treatment. So the key trick is to see that the treatment assignment variable, a variable that tells us whether you were assigned to be treatment or not, is an instrument, that we can use this as an instrument for whether you receive treatment. So in our data set, we've got 3 variables: the outcome variable, the treatment variable, whether you actually receive treatment, and the instrument, which is whether you were assigned to receive treatment. Now we need to check that all of the 3 assumptions hold for this instrument. So the first is the exclusion restriction. This is typically plausible. It says that the fact a person was given a particular label, receive treatment or do not receive treatment, does not directly affect their outcome. The second, the relevance assumption. This holds if the offer of treatment actually caused some people to be treated. Now, this is pretty much always true in practice. Some of the people who are assigned to be in the treatment group actually do get treatment. The third assumption is exogeneity. It says that the instrument is randomly assigned to people. Now here, the instrument is the variable saying whether you were assigned to treatment or not. Well, we were doing a random experiment, so yes, the instrument was randomly assigned. So in this case, it seems like the instrument satisfies all 3 assumptions. And so, now that we know this, we can use our instrumental variables analysis to learn the actual causal effect of receiving treatment on outcomes.